Next, we'll move to the Show Items widget and create the view model we need for the Show Items widget. Create underscore view model class. The Show Items widget should display a list of items, and tap the trash icon to delete the item. Therefore, the view model needs an item list value to display the item list and a function that can dispatch delete item action. After declaring the string list type final variable items and declaring the void function type final variable delete item with string type argument, create constructor. Create a static function from store that takes store as an argument and returns underscore view model instance. However, the item list we need to show is not the original item list, but the item list filtered by the search term. The function that filters the item list with search term is called underscore get filtered items and pass the item list and search term as arguments. The value of the item's argument is store.state.itemListState.items, and the value of the search term argument is store.state.searchTermState.searchTerm. The delete item function receives a string type item as an argument and dispatches a delete item action whose value of the item argument is item. The underscore get filtered items function must be a static function because it is called from the static function from store. The underscore get filtered items function receives the item list and search term as argument and returns the filtered item list. Define a list item variable to store the calculated value and give items as an initial value. If search term is not empty, that is, user enters something, then while scanning filtered items using the where function returns true if the argument item converted to lowercase includes a search term converted to lowercase. Otherwise returns false. You are doing case insensitive search. Then convert the result to list and save it to filtered items. Then finally return filtered items. Now we'll connect the view model with the listView.separated widget through the store connector. Wrap the listView.separated widget with store connector and give fstate and underscore view model as the store connector's type. Call the underscore view model dot from store static function in the convert callback that receives the store as an argument. A listView.separated widget is returned from the build callback that receives the build context and underscore view model instance VM as argument. Item count is now not 3, but items length of the view model VM. Let's store vm.items index in the item variable. The title of the list tile is given a text widget that displays the item. Assign icon button to trailing and call delete item function of view model VM in the onPressed callback as an argument given item. Icon is given a delete icon to indicate trash. Now that we have created all the necessary functions, let's run the simulator and test. Nothing was displayed. I see an error in debug console. This is natural because there is a list view in the column. There can be several solutions here. There may be a way to wrap the list view in expanded, but I'm not going to do that and change the list view's scrolling behavior a bit. For that, I will give the value of the primary property of listView.separated to false and the shrink wrap property to true. Let's do a hard restart. The screen was displayed normally. Let's enter some items. Clean the room. Do homework. Wash the dish. Item 4. The item add function works normally. Let's delete item 4. Item 4 has been successfully deleted. I will add item 4 again. Let's enter O as a search term. All items containing O as a search term are displayed. Let's put one more O, this time capital O. Only clean the room was displayed. I will delete the search term again. All items are displayed again. All functions work normally. Let's create another item 4 and delete any item 4. All item 4 have been deleted. This was foreseen from the time it was created, because if the items are the same, they are all deleted.